Hi, I'm Silvia and I am back in the Smeg kitchen to show you the versatility of the stone. And by that, I mean the gourmet cooking stone. And with that, we're gonna make the most beautiful flatbread from Emilia-Romagna, which is also where Smeg comes from. This bread is called piadina, and it all starts with some flour, a little bit of baking powder, olive oil, and milk with a pinch of salt. And by kneading the dough with my hands, the heat from my hands will transfer to the dough itself, developing the gluten. The other thing is a little bit of rest, and I'm talking about 10-15 minutes max, which incidentally is really fortunate for us because we have to turn on the oven and heat up that gourmet cooking stone. There's our function. And we'll go down to 220 and go. I didn't even use a rolling pin. I just divided the dough into 6 portions. And now it's time to pop them onto our stone and drop those in. 5 minutes of intense heat, and we're gonna have piadina. Just like we were in Emilia-Romagna. And they are ready and beautiful. Look at those. I'm just gonna do a very quick painting job just to make them glisten a little bit. And as promised, super tender crumb. And that is the beauty of steam. Isn't that amazing that with the Galileo technology, you can have the taste of Emilia-Romagna in your own kitchen? And for more recipes like this one, visit smegcucina.com.au.